start. So we have 3 proxy, 9, 10, 11. See on this screen, 9, 10, 11. Okay, close the window, no change, and open a program from Derek, Miller Technician, proxy. Close this and start to try. Start to try. Home, not reading proxy, and go to the move P002, not reading on. My question is why? That's all.